Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're getting into a topic that honestly keeps your whole house running, or stops it completely.
That's right. We're talking about residential drain services.
Exactly. We've been looking at some great sources, especially the info on the Pacifico Blue Mechanical website, to really get why professional help is, well, such a big deal.
Our mission today is pretty simple, actually. We want to figure out why a local expert is so important, especially for you if you're a homeowner in a place like New Westminster.
Right. We're not just talking about clogs. We're talking about how to keep your house safe and dry using really simple terms. We'll look at why knowing the local area matters so much and what the big wins are for you.
Let's start there then, with that local angle. Drain problems are, believe it or not, local problem.
What do you mean by that? A clogged pipe is a clogged pipe, right?
Not really. The source material from Pacific Blue Mechanical really highlights this. Expertise in New Westminster is different from expertise somewhere else. You have to think about the local climate, the soil conditions.
Okay, so things outside the house are affecting the pipes inside.
Precisely. The website points to two huge things. Tree root infiltration, which is a massive problem in older neighborhoods with big trees.
I can just picture that. The roots are hunting for water.
Exactly. And the other is flooding from all the heavy rain we get.
Yep.
If your plumber doesn't know these specific regional challenges, they're already a step behind.
So how do the pros tackle these very local problems? I mean, without digging up your entire lawn.
Well, this is the cool part. They use what you could call specialize.
Specialize, like a tiny camera.
That's basically it. It's an advanced camera inspection. They can run it through your pipes and see everything, every crack, every root, without ever picking up a shovel.
Wow. Okay, so they find the clog with the camera. Then what? Not just a snake, I'm guessing.
Nope. They use something much more powerful. Think of it like a power washer for your pipes. It's called hydrojetting.
A water gun.
A really, really powerful water gun. It doesn't just poke a hole in the clog. It scours the entire inside of the pipe clean. It makes it almost like new.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay, so let's zoom out. Why should you, the listener, really care about this before, water is backing up into your kitchen?
Right, because it goes way beyond just a simple inconvenience. We can really break the benefits down into three big areas.
Okay, let's hear them.
First up, your family's health. A clogged or broken drain means stagnant water. That's a breeding ground for all sorts of yucky stuff.
Like mold.
Mold, mildew, harmful bacteria. It gets into your air. So keeping drains clean is literally about keeping your home's air healthy.
I never would have connected those two. Okay, what's the second big benefit?
Money. Plain and simple. It's about your financial security.
How so? Isn't calling a pro expensive?
It's way less expensive than the alternative. Finding a small crack with a camera early on saves you from a massive flood later. You avoid water damage, foundation repairs, huge bills.
So it's an investment, not just a cost.
It's a huge investment. And that leads to the third point, your home's value.
Okay. How does a clean drain pipe help with that?
Well, a well-maintained drainage system is a major asset. The source material confirms this. It shows potential buyers that the house is solid, protected. It makes your property more valuable if you ever decide to sell.
Health, money, and home value. It's pretty compelling. The main takeaway here seems to be that getting a pro in gives you real peace of mind.
It does. And here's one last fact to think about. Drain emergencies. We're talking sewage backups, major floods. They don't happen on a 9-to-5 schedule.
Oh, for sure. It's always a Sunday night.
Always. And that's why the website confirms they have 247 emergency services available, because a real emergency just can't wait.
So now that you know all the big benefits, health, financial, and your property's value, we'll leave you with this question to think about.
Is your own drain maintenance proactive, or are you just sort of waiting for that expensive late-night emergency to happen?